How to show offensive comments on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show offensive comments on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram and now click these three lines here in the top corner and then just click settings, and here you will find privacy and then just click comments, and here you will find it hide offensive comments. And now just you can disable it or enable it just by one click, and if you want to show it, just disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.